But that's the Bateman principle. Now we're going to move on to Bob Trivers, who formulated, on the basis of Bateman, Bob Trivers took it a bit further, and in 1972 produced a paper called Parental Investment and Sexual Selection. Trivers' point is he invented the concept of parental investment. Parental investment is the effort you put in to increase the increase the fitness of offspring. So the sex that invests more in each offspring becomes a limiting resource for the other sex. Now that kind of takes Bateman and takes the Bateman principle and lifts it out of the immediate context of anisogamy, recognizing that there are other things that might cause you to invest more in offspring than just anisogamy. Usually it is the female. Usually it's the female because the female is the one that produces the big eggs. And the males invest much less in each offspring because they're just producing a sperm. And if there's nothing else going on, anisogamy, because of the Bateman principle, will predispose males to compete and females to be choosy. So if you imagine, so imagine a situation where females are, you've got a population with equal sex ratio here, and by all accounts it should be every one of them can find a mate. But now imagine that these females are tied up. These two females are tied up producing a bunch of expensive eggs. Now that means that they're unavailable for mating because they are busy gathering resources for providing for those eggs, and possibly also performing parental care. So now there's only one female for those males to compete over. So you get competition among the males who all want to mate for the one female that is in a position to mate. And so that female now has the choice of males with whom to mate. So you've got a case where the investment that some of the females are putting in to reproduction effectively makes all the males compete for the ones which are available. And those females, the ones which are available, then have the choice of males to compete with. He points out also that competition is going to be stronger where females are together, clumped together in groups. So if you have a look at these males here, you've got a population which is distributed. Imagine these males, one of them is more competitive than the other, and so he's going to beat that other male in competition. But the result of that in this population is that he wins that one female, and he gains access to that female because of winning that competition. But if you now consider this population where the females are spatially clumped together, that big male winning the competition is now going to win a group of females rather than just one. So groups of females are kind of in a position to be monopolized by one winner of a male winner of a competition. So competition is stronger where females are spatially clumped together. And those are two key insights from Trivers' parental investment paper.